We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting, related and more often mispronounced words as well, whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is normally said as literally. You do want to stress on the first syllable. The middle E is virtually silent. Literally, literally, literally. In American English, however, it is normally said as literally, literally. In American English versus literally in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.